Hi everyone, it's me, Princess Ellie Sparkles. And I have a surprise for my baby brother, the Prince! A shiny new car! Ah, I think the Prince likes it. Okay, Prince, are you ready to sit inside the car? Hey, wait! You're only a baby! You can't drive the car until you're bigger! Here, let me show you how to play with our new car! Okay, stay right there and be a nice baby. I'm going to drive nice and slow. Whoa! Hey, how do I make this car go slower? Oh no! Now I'm going backwards. And now forwards again! Whoa! I'm getting dizzy! Hey, look! It's the Princess Pet Slime! Maybe he can help the car stop! Oh no! He's making the car go even faster! The Prince and his pet slime are having so much fun. But what are they up to now? Uh-oh, what did you do this time, baby brother? Our new car is stuck in all this icky mud. Only a superhero is strong enough to push this car. Someone like Superhero Ellie Sparkles. Don't worry, baby brother. I'll use my superpowers to save the day. Hi everyone, this is Princess Ellie Sparkles. I live in Sparkleville. And this is my little brother, the Prince. Today is Christmas, and it's time to open presents. Try again, Prince. What's this? I wonder what this could be. It's a pet block. In Sparkleville, all blobs are magical. And the Prince gets a skunk? Not exactly what you asked for, is it, Prince? Wow, what an awesome jacket! This Christmas was so much fun! Even my brother liked it! We got 2 glitter LOL dolls. I'm really excited to see which dolls we got. There are 7 layers of surprises in these toys, so let's start unwrapping. The first layer is always our clue. This clue is glitter plus a bomb? That means glitter bomb. This character must really love glitter. That's so cool. What else is in here? Of course, the sticker that shows us our LOL doll can cry, tinkle, or spit. I can't wait to find out what our doll does. Now let's keep unwrapping. I wonder what our first accessory will be. It's a glittery bottle. This one is white with a very glittery black lid. Now I'm even more excited to see which baby will use this. Someone who wears shoes. But what kind? Red shoes with white socks and black bows. There must be an amazing outfit to match these shoes. Let's take a look at what it is. Black shorts and a blue, white, and red shirt. But the best part is that it's all glittery. That's why everyone wants these. They have glitter all over everything. That is super special. We're almost done. Only one more accessory to open before we get to the doll. But wait a minute. I didn't know there were so many glitter LOL dolls to collect. I want to collect them all. But first, let's see who we are starting with. Someone who wears a hat? Nope, someone who wears glasses. These glasses are bright red and have the coolest shape ever. Who's going to wear these amazing glasses? Oh, it's Rocker! Rocker has glittery pink and black hair that is the coolest style ever. That's because Rocker is a really cool girl. But she'll look even cooler in her outfit. Oh my! Her glasses are super awesome. But she looks so great without them too. Everything on these dolls is just really glittery. It makes me really excited to see what other doll we got. But first, let's see what happens when we give her the bottle. She's spitting! Ew, Rocker! Watch where you're spitting! You almost hit me! Now, you silly girl, we have to open our second LOL surprise to see who your new friend will be. When we unwrap the first layer, the first thing we always see is the clue. This time, it's a dress and then winning. Does this say dress for success? That means this LOL doll is really good at dressing. Wow, I can't wait to see what she wears. Let's keep unwrapping. The next thing we see is a collector sticker. She can do everything that a real baby can do. That's so perfect. Up next is our first accessory. The bottle. This bottle better be glittery. And it is! It's super glittery! This pink lid is the most glittery lid I've ever seen! I can't wait to see what color her shoes are. Pink! Pink shoes with the same fluffy socks and black bows that Rocker's shoes had. They will look so cute matching. Speaking of matching, do you think her clothes will match these shoes? Will there be pink? Let's take a look and find out. Whoa! This is the coolest dress ever! It's so glittery! And there is pink! I can't believe how big it is! And it's a cheetah print! Will this doll wear glasses like Rocker or a hat? Neither! She's going to wear a big bright bow! This is getting super fun because the next thing we open will be the LOL doll herself. We will finally get to meet her. It's Diva. Diva has glittery white hair and tall black socks. She will look so amazing in her outfit. You wanna see? Then let's put it on. Wow, her bowl is so big and her dress is just as big too. Diva wants to show us what her bow can do. Okay, let's dip her in the cold water and see what happens. No way! Do you see her bow? It's getting cheetah printed to match her dress. That's amazing! But it's not the only thing she does with water. Let's give her a drink from her bottle and we can show you what she does. She spits! Just like Rocker! Whoa! You watch where you're spitting too, Diva! You silly girl! I can't believe how far you can spit!
Oh boy! Today was so great! I got 2 LOL dolls, but I can't decide which one I'll give to my friend yet. Rocker and Diva are both so amazing! Thank you so much for helping me with everything today, Ellie Sparkles.
I'm happy you liked them, Sky! If you liked shopping with Sky too, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun LOL videos. Now, are you ready for another fun Ellie Sparkles adventure? Let's go!